Let's do the same with the acid water. I've got the flow nice and slow here, and I'll just collect a little bit of the acid water, and we'll put 2 drops in. And we've got a yellow. Now there's really not a yellow on this chart, but if we were to find something similar, it would look like about a 6. Well, in actuality, we'll dump this alkaline water out here and rinse out the cup a little bit. And let's see what our meter shows us we're at. Give it a couple seconds to reach its peak. Remember to get your best acid water, and we'll show you that example in a second. And by the way, I hope everybody noticed we achieved a 10.6 pH, and we're only at alkaline level number 3. So we still have another setting to go up, strong alkaline. Well, just that's indicative of the performance of this product. It's really a good performing product. So looks like we're at about a 5.9. In this case, that 6.0 might have been accurate. 5.8. We'll call it a 5.8. So that yellow is probably accurate. Now, I'm going to turn it on to strong setting. And if you remember earlier, we dialed it up to a 10.5 pH. Now, whenever you set these machines to the strong setting, they're going to beep. And the beeping is going to stay the whole time that it's on strong, because it's a warning or an alarm to let you know not to drink this water. They don't want you drinking the super strong water. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to collect some of this acid water here at the strong setting, and we'll do another little test on it and see where it's at. Rinse this out a bit. Alright, so now, again, we have a color that's really not on the chart, but it only shows about a 6.0. But when we stick our digital meter in there, look at that. Oh, I love it. 2.64, folks. This is medicinally sterilizing water right out of the Chanson, live on our demo video. 2.6, 2.59, 2.57. And guess what? I could slow that water flow down even more and I could probably get down into the 2.2 range. Here's what's important. You want to make this super, so according to the drops, we're only at about a 5 or a 6. So when you see the drops, remember this video, that the same water that's shown a 6 on the color chart, in actuality, is a 2.5 on the pH. And this is a calibrated digital meter. I can guarantee you this is extremely accurate. Here's a clue. When you smell this water, you should smell a smell of bleach. Now there's no chlorine in this because it's gone through the filtration. What you're smelling is hypochlorous acid, and that's what gives this acid water all its punch. Once you smell that, you know your pH is down in 3 to high 2s to mid 2 range. That odor will give you your key to tell you you're making that super strong acid water. So you can dial your flow down even a little bit more. If the flow that you're at, you don't smell that smell in the glass, dial your flow down a little bit more. Don't worry, the machine will shut itself off. If you get the water flow too slow, the machine will shut itself off. And that's how you get your strong acid water, and that's also how you get your strong alkaline water. This is the water that you can rinse your fruits and vegetables with. This is the water that will emulsify grease and clean. And let's just look in the meter where this where this water is at right now. Well, we're getting short on time, so we're not going to sit here and wait for the meter, but we're at an 11.3 pH right now. 11.4, and I have to tell you, when I reset the TDS last time, I forgot to go in and dial it up to 10.5, so you see right now it's set at 10.0. I can actually dial this thing up stronger and get it up to a 10.5. So, if everybody can see this, we're at an 11.5 on the pH with no chemicals whatsoever. And that's our adjustment. Thanks.